you want to have thorough, organic search engine optimization via your website content. So in other words, the words that are on your website, you want to have very thorough content, very thorough information through your website coding. This is the way your website is back coded. So when people are looking for certain services or they're looking for certain attributes, they will find you. And quality backlinks through your website. Backlinks would be third-party sites that link back to you as a source of authority. And if you have that, so a simple way to think about that is, there's 6 what I call high-value services that we are part of my LifeSmile practice. In addition to being a general practice, which is our core of our practice, we also place and restore implants. We do adult orthodontics. We do cosmetic dentistry, which could be a lot of things, but I tend to think of as veneers. We do oral conscious sedation. We can do complex restorative dentistry, and we treat sleep apnea through appliance therapy. So those phrases and terms need to be part of all of our website, not only in the content of the website, but in the coding as well. And hopefully through quality backlinks where others are talking about some of the things that we do that link back to our practice.
One that provides personal, professional, and financial satisfaction.